Hi everybody, Bill again, Auto World, Greens Fork, Indiana, coming to you with another quick update on Bob. Last 2 nights I've been working on the frame. Up in this corner on the driver's side, we welded up a hole there. These two mounts midway of the trunk pan are still in. I need to get those out. This rear 12 inches or so of the frame has been fabricated and replaced. The brace is back in. And it likes where it's at, if you can see that or not. But when they put the exhaust on it, they ran a big bolt through the frame and then they welded it. So I could not get that out yet. I'll work on that some more tomorrow, and the reason I want to get it out is to clean up that weld behind it where the frame was sectioned in there. Other than that, I want to take a wire cup on a 4.5-inch grinder and clean up the ass end of the frame here and put some 415 on it. It's not a lot, it's what I got. Just want to show you what we do here at Auto World. Thank you.